We are iTpreneur, we are the future. There is saying that learning never exhausts the mind. Hi, my name is Viraj. I'm a career counselor of iTpreneur, which is the best IT training program in Pune, earned its name through diligent dedications towards its students. From the past decades, iTpreneur has offered superior quality of training and placement for students from various backgrounds in the field of information technology. iTpreneur offers various courses like full stack Java, .NET, web development, Python, Salesforce, Power BI, and business analyst. Quality of training is our unique identity. iTpreneur offers guarantee placement after successful completion of course. iTpreneur encourages students to participate in all activities. iTpreneur also provides aptitude and soft skills for human development. Finally, we would like to invite you to get associated with iTpreneur to upgrade and uplift your career. I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.